The reason why I'm asking this question is because so many people, I'm getting confused myself. Because if they have a
You're getting confused, Moses.
Yeah.
You're about to tell me something here.
no, if they have a gay pride,
Moses, is there something that you want to tell us?
Yeah.
Look into the camera. Say it, Moses. Go on. You've been working in a gay bar for a long time, Moses. It's not a choice, is it, Moses?
But why am I confused is because a lot of people, if you ask them, oh, are you not going to gay pride? Or they say, oh, it's too gay for me. So I keep on wondering, are you not gay? Why is it
Right.
too gay for you? You know? That's why
You're asking me to
don't know.
understand people I don't understand, Moses.
Yeah.
I can't figure it out for you.
Yeah.
Do you have a theory?
No, not really.
No?
I'm not kind of a believer in those kind of stuff. You see, I don't.
Well, one thing that I'll say, Moses, when I was first started to go to gay bars, there were two types of people. It seemed as though there was two groups. There were the preppies that looked like university students,
Yeah.
and they wore polo shirts and Lacoste shirts and designer jeans like Calvin Klein jeans. And then there were the guys who wore lumberjack shirts, plaid shirts, motorcycle jackets, and it was just like there was just two types.
Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah.
And that's what it seemed like at the time, that there was just two types. Well, now we've got people can dress however they want to dress, and there's far more subcategories. I mean, I know people say, oh, he's very Shoreditch, or oh, he's very Vauxhall, or that guy's very Clapham, and they're pigeonholing and stereotyping little groups and subdivisions. That's human nature to do that. But I think the gay community is really diverse nowadays.
Yeah.
And if someone has a preference, good, bad, or indifferent, they may limit themselves. They may not find the person who is the right person for them because they're limiting their options by saying, I will only go out with this type. I will only go to this kind of club.
Yeah.
I find, and you probably do too, when you try things you've never tried before, sometimes you find something, oh, I didn't know I liked this. You know? So that's why I've got a wig in the dressing room, Moses, and a dress. You're about a size 16.
Yeah, good evening. I'm here to ask a few questions about gay community. Why is it there's so many division in gay society? So many people divided, and so many people have different opinion concerning gay issue. And today I'm here with some of my friends, Skinny Mini, and sorry, I didn't introduce it. Oh.
Hi, Delicious.
Hi, Delicious. Sorry.
Hi, Delicious.
Hi, Delicious. Skinny Mini.
Obviously.
You know, obviously, you work in gay community and you're assistant manager. What do you think about this issue concerning gay? Why is it there's so many division in gay community?
I do believe that gay men as a whole kind of have groups in between that, and there is a certain amount of cliques, whereas you'll get the bears will stick to the bears, queens, usually the queens. I do believe that there is, like I say, a certain amount of like segregation in between that, which should be overlooked, because you will get gay men say he's too camp, he's too gay, but I don't really understand that personally. But I think the whole thing, some people aren't that comfortable within their own skin about being gay, so I think that could be one of the reasons.
So what do you think about it?
I don't think, I'm just here to look good.
Yeah, do you ever come across somebody say you are too gay?
Of course.
So what is your response if somebody say you are too gay?
My response is I just think each to their own. That's my motto, and that's the way I live. And it's unfortunate that there's such a kind of... And we live in a minority group as it is, so it's unfortunate that we kind of have to segregate. I certainly don't. Or I try not to anyway. But it's often hard to not make judgments on people, and you just got to take people how they are.
All right. Yeah, I'm here to interview Miss Direction, which I've known you for a while now. You've been doing
time now, yeah.
Yeah, you've been doing a lot of magic tricks. So what make you decided to start doing this kind of stuff you're doing, the magic stuff you're doing?
The magic, I've been doing magic since I was 4 years old, a long time. That's now 16 years, and it's been a passion of mine. The drag came about much later, but the magic I've been doing for years and years and years.
So what do you think about gay people saying, there's so many divisions and some people are too gay? Are you too gay? Do you think you're too gay?
It's so funny because I don't think I'm very gay. I think I look gay.
Yeah.
Well, especially like this. But in real life, I think I look gay, but I don't think I act it actually. When I'm being my brother Steve, I don't think I act gay at all. To be honest, I look it, don't act it.
Okay. So, but what's your opinion about gay in general, where you have division with different people? You say, oh, this guy is too gay, this one is too gay. Is it a good thing?
No, actually it's not a good thing. I disagree with the other ladies because I don't think division in the gay world is good at all. It's like a lot of gay men don't like lesbians. I think that's absolutely rubbish. We're in a minority. We need to stick together.
Yeah.
I mean, I like straight people. I like gay people. I don't discriminate. So I don't think the gay community have any kind of right to discriminate whatsoever. I really don't. I honestly, I mean, there's profiles on the internet where you can look for other boyfriends.
Yeah.
And a lot of people say only go for this type or this type, and my reply to that is why be so prejudiced? You know, we don't need prejudice in this world. Cut it out. You know, meet someone. If you like them, you like them. Doesn't matter what type of gay person they are.
So in your own case, what kind of guy do you go for if you're going to go for a guy?
To be honest, I'm not that fussy, Moses.
No,
but in all seriousness, I don't have a type because I don't discriminate.
Yeah.
Basically, if someone's nice enough to come and approach me,
Yeah.
then I'm going to give them the time of day, and if I click with them, we click. If we don't, we don't. But depending on what type of gay they are, doesn't matter at all.
Because that's how I look at it as well. You know, in the straight world, there's no, oh, this guy is too straight. There's
Yeah.
nothing like that. But in the gay world, you see people saying, oh, this is too gay, this is too camp, this is that. You know, so that's why I'm worried about it. That's why I'm out here to ask questions. Who is too gay? Why are there so many discussions? Are we learning from this division that is going on in gay community?
Yeah, it's bizarre, isn't it?
Yeah. So what do you gain from it by behaving this way? What do you think people gain from it?
I think the only thing they gain is, I mean, to be honest, maybe it's not always prejudice. Some people like who they like.
Yeah.
You know, I look quite queenie, which means I look like a young guy that's obviously gay, and I do like that type. I'm not willing to discriminate. I like that type. If that type likes me, that's good. But I don't think people need to differentiate between the two. What's the point?
So in your own case, have you ever performed on the stage, you know, in the big stage where you have a lot of people watching you on the show, or is this your first time? Or are you new in the show business?
No, I've been in show business my entire life. My largest stage audience has been 3,500 people.
Wow.
It's a big audience.
Yeah.
But I'm very new to drag. I'm nice and original because I'm a magician drag queen.
Yeah.
Hence the name Misdirection.
Yeah, I've seen you before performing and I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
So it's good.
I had such a good time with you and all of your friends. One of those guys made me start to burn. I don't know why. I believed it was just so rash. Now I got fireworks in my ass. Not again. Oh, it started to sting. Battery acid coming out of my ring. Whoa, whoa, gonorrhea. I need a wee again. My thought that I got rid of you. Gonorrhea, caught it from your friend. My genitals are turning blue. Feeling so broken hearted. Green puffs from where I bought it. My feel like such a filthy hole. Gonorrhea, will you ever go? My now I gotta end the show.